Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rich from Problem Solved. I got another quick update prior to last one, maybe for the year. The pool closing with the theory that I put all these pillows around the middle, the center, and then every rainfall, the water will collect in a spot that I can easily dump it with a bucket is working. So far, it's been great. We had a couple of nights where it froze a little bit, but I hadn't had any real ice to test it yet. But I think this looks like the way to go. As you can see, it's working exactly as planned and designed. So I hope this helps. I want to thank you for following the pool closing this year. Stay tuned, subscribe. If you want to see the opening and the results of that or anything else, happy to help. And I want to thank you for all your support throughout this year. I do this because I like to help people, and I hope you see that, and I hope you enjoy these videos. They do take time and effort, and I really hope that you get something out of it. Makes it all worthwhile for me. So thanks again. Pound that subscribe button, comment, and I always return the comments with a reply. And see you on the next one. Thanks again. Later.